My name is Ms Mendez, and I want to welcome you to a new school year.
I grew up in South Florida, the youngest of two sisters. My family has a rich cultural background, with my great-grandfather immigrating from China. I really enjoyed traveling. Most recently, I went to Kenya, where I jumped in a water hole in the middle of a safari. When I am home, I like to be with my friends and spend time out in the river. I received my degree at Southern Adventist University in Collegeville, Tennessee. I have had several joyful years teaching many grade levels in different settings. I have experience teaching English to adults in South Korea and all subjects in kindergarten, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 6th, and 7th grade. I am also the robotics and technology coach here at Indigo Christian Junior Academy, where the Lord has called me to teach 3rd through 5th grade the past 3 years. My focus is math. I love showing my students the beautiful world of mathematics by designing enrichment programs such as our robotics team, cooking class, school vegetable garden, and international pen pals. But my real passion is you. At ICJA, we care about you having an abundant academic experience. We are a church and school community who believe happiness comes from our relationship with Christ and compassion towards one another. Jesus' words of wisdom says, "I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you with my loving eye upon you." Psalm 32, verse 8. I like to think of children as seeds, full of potential and our hope for a better tomorrow. Research shows that all children can learn. They will go through the same stages in the same order. However, just like other growing things, they do it at different rates. Therefore, I do not expect students to acquire knowledge at identical times. Because children were made to grow, they already have curiosity, creativity, and a natural love of learning. All they need is affection and an unshakable belief in them from their teacher. Galatians 1:12 says, "I did not receive it from any man, nor was I taught it. Rather, I received it by revelation from Jesus Christ." As I reflect on these promises, another verse comes to mind. That the wisdom that comes from heaven is first of all pure, then peace-loving, considerate, submissive, full of mercy and good fruit, impartial and sincere. James 3:17. Childhood is a precious time, and education would be incomplete without the wisdom of true character. All good things come from God, says Psalm 16, verse 2. Therefore, I want my students to see the love of Jesus every day. It is my deepest desire that children who attend our school know they are loved and appreciated, that they be happy and actively involved here as they share friendship and joy.
Well, that is all from your teacher. Now I want to get to know you as a part of our Indigo Christian Junior Academy family. I'm excited about spending time with you this school year. In the meantime, may you be healthy, safe, and whole. Have a wonderful and peaceful day.